How to make healthy stem. Is there weak stem growth of your plants or trees? Is your plants having less number of leaves, flowering and fruiting? It may have weak stem. Stem is the foundation of good health of any plant or tree. To make quick stem, apply Utkarsh Horsepower at 8 to 15 liters per acre by drip irrigation, by drenching, or directly giving along with water with flood irrigation. Also add stress-free 1 to 2 liter per acre along with horsepower. Within 10 days, you will start seeing stem formation of tree or plant along with new healthy leaves. When giving by drenching, take 15 ml horsepower and 2 ml stress-free per liter water and give solution 200 ml to 2 liter as per the size of the plant or tree. Utkarsh horsepower is a unique combination of activated polyphosphate blended with all six micronutrients in available form. It is also best balanced combination of various nutrients for trunk formation. Stress free is combination of humic acid, fulvic acid, best amino acids, seaweeds for plants. Giving this combination every 2 to 3 months will keep stem and plant healthy.